Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with FinecoBank Review My Usage Experience. FinecoBank Review My Usage Experience offers an overview and analysis of FinecoBank, an online banking service. It's aimed at potential customers looking to assess the bank's features, fees, and overall suitability before opening an account. Key features, based on my research, include online banking, investment options, and various account types. Their website provides details on specific offerings and pricing. FinecoBank's positioning focuses on providing comprehensive financial services online. They highlight ease of use and a wide range of investment products. Their website claims pricing transparency and no hidden fees, although specific details are best checked directly on their platform. The technology appears robust and secure, though specifics aren't readily available without an account. Availability is primarily online, and the website provides information on eligibility. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using FinecoBank Review My Usage Experience. I started by reading several independent reviews and then exploring FinecoBank's website myself. The website was well structured and easy to navigate, though some of the financial jargon was a little dense for a complete beginner. I found the information on fees and account types particularly useful. It was presented clearly and concisely, which I appreciated. I spent a few hours comparing their investment options to other banks and found their offerings competitive. While I didn't actually open an account with FinecoBank, the review process, using their website and third-party reviews, helped me understand their services thoroughly. One minor drawback was the lack of readily available customer testimonials on the site itself. I did find some customer reviews on independent finance forums that were mixed, but largely positive. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the information I gathered using various online resources and FinecoBank's own website. The experience helped me make an informed decision about whether or not to pursue banking with them. That's my overview of FinecoBank Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.